Welcome back, viewers. So, different Linux distributions have different ways to control or to manage the multiple graphics cards in the system. So, Suse manages the different graphics cards installed on OpenSuse system or Suse systems using the Suse Prime application package. And further, for the older desktops, we have to use BBS switch dash KMP dash default folder, and in the newer systems you can directly use the prime select method using the Suse Prime, which is already there installed on your system. So you don't have to use this method. This method is for the older desktop, older laptops, say 4 years, 5 years old laptop. You can use this method. So in this method, you have to first install the Suse Prime BBS switch dash KMP dash default. So it will install the BS switch. So you can go ahead. So once you issue this command, the system will search for the packages. For example, in my case, I tried to install on my latest laptop. So this BS switch KMP default was not available. So only the Suse Prime was available for install. So I installed this. And once the installation is complete, the OpenSuse system or the Suse system will create a system link. You can see it here, and this will activate the prime select. And in the next video we will see how to do use of the prime select to select the default graphics card for the next boot. So that in the next video. So in this video only you have to see how to install the Suse Prime. So we have installed the Suse Prime. The system link was created. Prime select service is now activated. So it will start whenever you do the next boot. So it will be available, and then you can use that prime select to select the graphics card from the next boot onwards. And once you the system link is created, you can see here the init ramfs is all again updated automatically. You can see here. So Dracut will start creating the new init ramfs images for all the kernels that are available on the system. So I got two kernels, both kernels you can see here. The new init ramfs system was created. You can see here all the logs are there. So init RD system or the init ramfs system is created. And once this is done, you have to always reboot, and then you can select between the multiple kernels to boot. And after the booting is completed, you can start using the prime select to select the default kernel, default graphics card for the system. So whenever you use the prime select method or command to set the default this graphics driver, then after you issue that prime select command, you have to again reboot. So there will be a second reboot, and then after on you can say, for example, if you select the NVIDIA card as the default card from the next boot onwards, so once you do that, you have to again reboot, and from that boot onwards the NVIDIA will be the default graphics card as and when or as and until you change the cards. So every time system will use NVIDIA. Then if you want to go back to the integrated, you have to again issue the command. So that command also I will show you in some of the later videos. So I will stop the video here. In the next video we'll see how to use the prime select command from the terminal to select the default graphics card from the next boot onwards. So see you in that video. Bye bye.